Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanish Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to learn mathematical problem in easily and fast speed and understanding. So today we start our topic is the decimal form in real number. How we solve decimal form in real number and how do we change the number in decimal form. First topic is type of decimal form. Each terminating decimal form. Terminating decimal form. A number is fully divided. A number is fully divided, then it is called terminating decimal form. If a number is fully divided, then it is called terminating decimal form. Means here numerator and denominator both are available. Means denominator is not zero. Means here this number is a rational number. So we can write a rational number. Number which denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n, then it is terminating decimal form. Here any rational number which denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n, then it is called terminating decimal form. Means every rational number which denominator is 2 and 5 power prime factor, then it is terminating decimal form. Just like 2 upon 5 is 0.4. It is terminating. Similarly, others number which denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n. It is not compulsory every time we have factor 2 or 5. Here it is compulsory. The factor is not other than 2 and 5. So it is terminating part. Second, non-terminating non-terminating repeating decimal form. A number is not fully divided but after decimal number and digit are repeating. After decimal, digit and number are repeating. Means a number is not fully divided, but after decimal, digit and number are repeating. Here, then it is called terminating non-terminating. Then it is called non-terminating repeating decimal form. Non-terminating repeating decimal form. So a number is not fully divided, but after decimal digit are repeat, then it is called non-terminating repeating decimal form. It is also a condition irrational number which denominator is not in the form of 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n, then it is called non-terminating repeating decimal form. Here we learn a rational number which denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m, then 5 to the power m, then it is terminating decimal form. If it is not in the form of 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n, then it is non-terminating repeating decimal form. Means other rational number which denominator prime factor is not only 2 and 5, then it is called non-terminating repeating decimal form. Just like here we see that 2 upon 5 multiplied 3. Here one factor is 5 and other factor is 3. Then it is non-terminating repeating decimal form. So check it. 2 upon 15, we divide it. Here we get 0.15 remaining. 50, 15 3 is 45, again 5 remaining, means digit 3 are repeat. If any digit and number are repeat, then we write a line just for bar for that number or digit. Means this number or digit are repeating in end of the. So last, non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-repeating decimal form. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal form means a number is not fully divided and after decimal digit or number are not repeat. Not repeating. Then it is called non-terminating non-repeating decimal form. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal form, and it is irrational. it is irrational. Means this number is maximum time is irrational. It never be a rational number. Means first and two, the terminating decimal form and non-terminating decimal form are rational number, but non-terminating, non-repeating decimal form are irrational number. So completely these are real number. If number is real, then we have only two conditions. First, terminating, second, non-terminating. If denominator is 2 power n, 5 power n, then it is terminating decimal form. If it is not, then it is non-terminating repeating decimal form. That's why we can understand every rational number is terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. It never be non-terminating, non-repeating decimal form. So our solving in each time we get only two type of questions. Because this type of question, how we solve? Because it is non-terminating, it is irrational number. So generally we do not solve this type of number. Sometimes anyone asks how many decimal number between these two number. So finding between these number, only one method are possible. That we learn after some time. So I am write these things. So start next one. By this method, we can calculate number to decimal form easily and speedily. Just like we have a number 13 upon 3125. It is a number. If we want to find it is rational or irrational, first we do prime factor 30. 3, 1, 2, 5 prime factor. First we divide 5, 6, 2, 5, again 5, 1, 2, 5, again 5, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1. Here denominator is in the form of 5 to the power 5. So here denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m, 5 to the power m. Only we observe that denominator have not other than factor 2 and 5. It is not compulsory. Every time prime factor 2 are coming and 5 are also coming. It is not compulsory. It is compulsory. The factor is not other than 2 and 5. So start. It is terminating decimal form. How we find the solution of it? First we write here denominator is in the form 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n, then it is terminating decimal form. Now if we want to find the value of these things, so generally we calculate by easy one method. Here we check what is the power of 2 and 5. Here 2 have nothing power, means 0, and 5 have 5 power. Then what is the difference of power? 5. So we multiply it by which number's power which is small. Here 2 power is 0 is small. So we multiply it 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. So our solution 2 to the power 5 is 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16, 16 to the 32. Means 2 to the power 5 is 32. So 32 multiplied by this. Here we get 13 to the 26, 2 remaining, 13 3 the 39, 2 41. Hence our solution is 416. But in denominator we do not solve. We write only in power 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. Here denominator power are same. So we can write the solution. We write decimal after equal to power digit. Here power is 5. So we write the decimal after 5 digit. So counting 4 1 6 1 2 3 4 5 and decimal. So our solution is 0.00416. By this method, we can calculate any number to decimal form. Just like another number 25 upon 50. Here both numbers are divided by 5, then 5 5 is 25, 5 10 is 50, again 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. It is easily calculate. So its solution is 0.5, but here also denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n. Then we can calculate it is terminating decimal form. In other type, 6 upon 13. Here we see that here denominator is not in the form of 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n. Then it is non-terminating, repeating. Some student thinks how it is repeating, how we can say that. So check it. Here denominator is not in the form non-terminating then it is non-terminating repeating decimal form. Here we divide 6 by 13 by generally. In simply I divided because we want to prove how it's solid. In examination it does not need. So check it. 13 it is not divided, write 0 after decimal, 1 is 0 is coming here. So divide 13 4 ja 52. Whenever digits are repeat, then we close the dividing. Here subtract 8, 80. 36 ja 78. Again 2, right, 20. 13 1 ja 37. 70. 13 5 ja 65. 5. 33 ja 39. 11. 0. 13 8 ja 104, we get 6. In starting we have already 6, and after this solution we get again 6. Then after this digit divide are similar. So means this all digits are repeat. So its answer is 6 upon 13 equal to 0.46153 are repeat. Here 6 digits are repeating. So it is non-terminating repeating. In repeating decimal form, sometime 3 digits, sometime 4 digits. Its counting are not fixed. Every time some digits are repeating. It is counting are not fixed. So by this method we can find which is terminating or which is non-terminating decimal form. In non-terminating, which is repeating or which is not repeating. In rational number, each time we get repeating decimal form. We never get any type is non-repeating decimal form. Non-repeating decimal form are coming only in square root or in decimal form. It never come in fractions. In fraction, only 2 type decimal form we can write. First, terminating decimal form. Second, non-terminating repeating decimal form. By this method, we can calculate any decimal form. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow we learn the how to write non-terminating in repeating decimal form in again friction in just opposite. Here we write friction to decimal form. Tomorrow we learn decimal form to friction. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. So thank you for watching this video.